This field of gold may appear to be quite lovely, but this should be teeming with ecological diversity. Instead, we've got nothing but these dry, obnoxious weeds that don't belong here in the first place. That's right, I'm back again with another episode of invasive species. This time not with a tree at all, but the wildly invasive and evocatively named Medusahead Rye.
If you're new, this is the series where I take an invasive species, turn it into a vase, and tell you all about it. And this time our first non-woody plant has forced me to break out some resin, which you know I don't like to do, but hey, fun to experiment. So let's meet Medusahead. This highly invasive grass is native to the Mediterranean and first showed up in the US around the late 1800s in Oregon, likely as a contaminant in crop seed. By the mid-1900s, it had a strong foothold across the Great Basin, and today it's infested well over 1 million acres of rangeland across the West. What makes this plant so invasive? Well, first of all, its wheat-like seeds grow these long, twisted, snake-like awns, hence the name Medusahead, that are covered in tiny barbs that cling to fur, socks, shoelaces, anything that moves.
I've already got like 1,000 of these little seeds in my socks just from wandering through here. I hate this stuff.
And hitch free rides to new spots where its life cycle then outcompetes natives. It germinates in the fall, grows roots all winter, and by early spring it's already sucking up precious water before native plants even wake up. Mature Medusahead is also rich in silica, which makes it unpalatable to livestock and causes its litter to decompose slowly, creating a blanket that suppresses native seeds from taking hold. The result? A monoculture wasteland where there should be biodiversity. Wheatgrass, fescue, wildflowers and forbs providing food and shelter for sage grouse, pygmy rabbits, and countless songbirds. Rangelands invaded by Medusahead can lose up to 80% of their forage value. And controlling Medusahead is no small task. A combination of controlled burns, herbicides, and reseeding with native and adapted grasses can be effective, but it's expensive, and the current administration has already slashed budgets for environmental protection, habitat restoration, and scientific monitoring, and have promised to cut them even further. And without action, Medusahead will keep spreading. It's currently taking about 12% more ground every year. And on that note, that's it. The Medusahead vase is all done, and I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, especially for something so different. I especially like the parts where the little seeds are exposed. It looks really cool. It's neat to get something that looks so completely different added to our invasive species collection. So that's it for this episode. Take care of your grasslands, watch your socks, and let me know what invasive species I should tackle next.